Alright YouTube, this is going to be my first product review. So you're not going to be able to see my face because I got this so zoomed in, and that's the way I want it because there's so much detail on here. This is a left gas pedal made by company RiseAboveAmputation, and what this part is it comes in two different flavors. So what I mean by that is that this actual piece right here is a mounting bracket that can be mounted on either the metal plate and or you can actually get it inside the car to the point where this part is actually mounted inside the car and it's actually bolted into the car. I didn't want that model in terms of I wanted to be able to use this and be able to take it out of the vehicle, and so if my wife needed me to drive in her car and some special occasion like that, travel, what have you, I would be able to do that. So what this metal plate is obviously that this piece that you can bolt to the car is going to be sitting on the bottom of the car, so therefore this can be bolted onto here and then stay in place. Don't worry, this is about, I believe it's about 20 pounds. Don't take my word on that, but it's about 20 pounds. It's heavy. I've known it because I've picked it up rather a couple times. So what this does is that, so you have here this right plate, which basically prevents the user from hitting the gas pedal as if it's normally intended to, and it's because you don't want to be mashing down on this and then all of a sudden your gas pedal accidentally goes, this lever goes underneath the gas pedal, and then all of a sudden you're on the highway doing 70 miles an hour and then you cannot push the gas. So that's going to be a problem. So that's why this piece is on right here. And then this is the actual left gas pedal right here, and what this does is that it basically stays stationary just like this. It is attached to the rod, which basically moves the the right side up and down, and basically when the user presses on this, gas goes down, this little roller basically slides down on the gas pedal and allows the user to basically propel forward with the left gas pedal. So very good product so far that I've used. Very customizable, very adjustable. It's all used by hex screws and usual Allen bolts, and this basically sits in your car, and therefore if any disabled person needs to use the vehicle that cannot use a right foot, this is going to be able to the point where you press on it and it's going to push down the gas pedal and they're going to be able to propel forward. The only thing obviously that the user is going to have to get used to is that you don't have a right gas pedal anymore, and you have to get used to the actual switching of the left from the right foot. So, and then obviously, so when we drive, we're used to hitting basically the right side in the order to go. However, the right side is now going to have your brake pedal, and then the left side is actually going to have your gas. So just whenever, the hardest part that I've found while using this thing is that you have to get used to that. So otherwise, if you push on the right by accident to go and you're going, I don't know, let's say 20 miles an hour and you're trying to park, you're just going to be slamming. So example, if you just want to hit the brake real quick, I said that wrong. So if you want to hit the brake real quick, and the cat's going to join in here. Here, hold on. If you want to hit the brake real quick, we're used to hitting this on the left-hand side. However, you don't want to hit this anymore because obviously your car is probably going to go through someone's balcony, which I almost did. So don't do that. But other than that, company RiseAboveAmputation, I'm going to put a description on where's to Amazon where I got it. You can also go on their website which I can post below as well in the details. And very good company. There was a couple screws. The only complaint that I have is that these Allen screws, there's an actual piece right here that you have to adjust. So obviously that this lever right here can hit the brake, I'm sorry, not the brake pedal, but the gas pedal all the way, and there can't be any gap on it. So basically, what you have what you have to do is you have to adjust this lever right here to push down on the gas, and then this actual, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this actual lever right here has a little, it's a little hex screw that. Okay, I figure I'd try the phone here to show you guys exactly what screws they were here. So this actual piece right here, this piece is basically, when you loosen this hex bit right here, it allows you to basically screw this piece to allow this lever to go down on the gas all the way. And I just, the only complaint I have is these Allen screws are way too they're weak. And of course, I mean, they're small. It's a small metal. It's the way it's made. It is what it is. So, but that's the only complaint. So other than that, this is it. This is a closer look. So I called Able Motion Mobility. Very good customer service, by the way. Very good customer service. The lady was extremely helpful, and they actually shipped me out 2 more hex screws to basically put in there so I could fit this properly, so it would fit in my car and it would work. So, but other than that, very good product, very solid, very well built. I'm looking forward to using this. It's going to be a nice piece. It's a good complement to a vehicle that, if anyone is missing a right foot, or just better yet can't use your foot on the right side, this is going to be a better adjustment rather than I would say using the hand controls. Although I don't know, because I've never used the hand controls, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be your go-to piece. So. Again, I'll leave the product description in the bottle, the product the product where you can buy it, any information on it in the description. Have any questions, comments, let me know. Please subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Thank you.